In this video, I'll show you how to create a bold opening where the screen shakes briefly and then clears away to reveal your video with energy. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the shake hits immediately. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Shake Away, then apply it. Once applied, the screen shakes and clears, revealing the video underneath with a punchy motion. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how aggressive the shake feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal sharp and intense. Longer duration slows it down, making the motion heavier and more dramatic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the shake matches your music or beat. And that's it. You've successfully added a shake away reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.